Picture this. It's another sunny and windy day on Prince Edward Island, and high schoolers from West Isle are buzzing with excitement. Why? Because they're part of the Holland College Transitions program, a game changer for over 150 students island-wide every year. This program is like a ticket to explore the crazy world of careers. But it's not just about sitting in classrooms, it's about getting hands-on, diving in. The goal? To spark that love for learning and make students feel like they can take on anything, especially the overwhelming world of post-secondary education. For a semester, students get a taste of college life, half days spent diving into different career paths. And by the end of it all, students hopefully have a little more direction of where they see their future selves. Adam Grant, Centennial Mazda's fixed operations manager, has been in the automotive business for ages, and boy does he know his stuff. For nearly 5 years, Adam has been highlighting the automotive industry through his presentations with the program. Adam shares with students his own journey as a Holland College student and engages with them by teaching the basics of car maintenance. And we all know how crucial it is for these new drivers to know those basics. Adam's passion for the automotive industry shines through as he interacts with students. From learning how to check your oil and tire pressure to understanding wear patterns on your tire's tread, Adam equips students with some truly valuable information. So what's Adam's end goal? To inspire students to explore that path of interest, no matter the obstacle. And the Transitions program does just that by offering students guidance and resources to turn that interest into a career.